Congratulations to Pella as the first Nigerian millionaire that wants to buy himself because of a lady called Jarvis that acts like a robot. Congratulations to you, Mugu. Yes. Well, in this issue right now, I think Pella made a big mistake. Pella, you could have jammed the trailer. You could have jammed Dangote. You could have jammed Dangote trailer than doing that. What's the meaning of that, Pella? Like, if I meet you in the hospital, I will give you a very dirty slap. You need a very, very dirty slap, cause you don't get sense. Well, if this is your first time coming across my video, I'm in a very angry, like I'm very, very angry right now. Like changing my mood right now. Well, if this is your first time coming across my video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will give you more gist about that Mugu boy called Pella. Let's